Welcome to our YouTube channel on Job Discovery. The topic going look today is cylinder. So today first question is the curved surface area of cylinder is 1320 centimeter square and its base height 21 centimeter. Find the height of this cylinder. So now see here friends, this is a cylinder, right? Our target to find what is the height. Total curved surface area is given 1320 centimeter square. Curved surface area is equal to 1320 centimeter square. Diameter is given. Diameter means total distance of circle. Base value. So base is given 21 centimeter. Our target to find what is the height of this cylinder. Okay, so now see here, curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h, right? And diameter is given 21 centimeter. So radius will be 21 by 2 centimeter. Why? Because diameter is 2 times of radius. So now see here, and 2 pi r h is equal to 1320 centimeter square. So 1320 centimeter square. So now see here, 2 pi means pi is equal to 22 by 7. So 22 by 7. Pi means 22 by 7. Radius is 21 by 2. 21 by 2 into height is equal to 1320 centimeter square. 1320 centimeter square. So now see here, 7 3 ja 21 and 2 to cancel. So 22 into 3 will be 66 h is equal to 1320 centimeter square. And now see here friends, this is given in centimeter. So also this will be 66 centimeter h. So centimeter 1 and centimeter 1 will be cancelled. So 66 h is equal to 1320 centimeter. Okay, so now see here, h is equal to 1320 by 66 centimeter. So I think it will be 2 times 66 to the 132. So h is equal to 20 centimeter. So our answer is height is equal to 20 centimeter. So height will be 20 centimeter, right? Now see here once again friends, surface area, total curved surface area is given 1320 centimeter square and base is given 21 centimeter diameter, right? So radius will be 21 by 2 centimeter because diameter is 2 times of radius. So now see here, we have learned curved surface area formula is 2 into pi r h, right? So 2 pi r h is equal to 1320 centimeter square. So our answer is height is equal to 20 centimeter. So this is 20 centimeter is our answer, right? So let's move to question number 2. Question number 2. The ratio between the curved surface area and the total surface area of cylinder is 1:2. Prove that its height and radius are equal. So our target to what radius and height is equal. So now see here, the radius between curved surface area and total surface area. So we now write, friends, curved surface area is formula is 2 pi r h between ratio total curved surface area is formula 2 pi r into r plus h is equal to ratio 1:2, right? So our target to find what is equal of radius and height. So now 2 pi r h ratio means divide. So 2 pi r into r plus h is equal to 1/2. 1/2. So 2 pi r and 2 pi r cancel. So h by r plus h is equal to 1/2. 2 into h will be 2h is equal to r plus h, right? So 2h, this is plus, so it will be 2h, this is plus, so will be here minus h is equal to r. So 2h minus h will be h is equal to r. So it is proved. H is equal to r. Prove, right? Now once here, our target to find prove h is equal to r. So we now write curved surface area formula is 2 pi r h and total curved surface area formula is 2 pi r into r plus h is equal to ratio given 1:2. Now ratio means divide. So 2 pi r divide 2 pi r into r plus h, right? So 2 pi r and 2 pi r get cancel. So only h is here, so h will be here, and r plus h, this is r plus h, is equal to 1/2. 2 into h will be 2h, and r plus h into 1 will be r plus h. So 2h, now see here, 2h, this is given in plus, so it will be here minus 2h plus here, so will be here minus 2h minus h is equal to r. So 2h minus h is only h, and our r is here, so it will be here. So h is equal to r. So this is proof, h is equal to r. Okay, so move to question number 3. So thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and share with your friend who is preparing examination. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.